What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. We're in October now, so the weather is starting to change for many of you around the country, if not already. And many of you have probably gotten messages on your car that you have low tire pressure all of a sudden, even though it wasn't like that a few weeks ago. And if you don't see any, foreign debris in your tire, no nail, no screw, no nothing, and all of a sudden it just shows that it's lost a good 5 psi or more versus what it used to have, especially if all of them are doing the same thing. That's pretty common when the weather gets colder, so don't be alarmed. Just go to your nearest tire shop, or if you have your own air compressor, just put the recommended amount of tire pressure. Where most cars it's anywhere between 32 and 36 psi, but just look on the side door of your car, like right here. For most cars, if you look on the inner wall of your door, see this right here, it'll tell you the recommended tire pressure, and this means cold tire pressure, meaning you haven't driven anywhere yet. So notice for this car 35, and then the spare is usually 50 to 60 psi. So some people never check the spare tire pressure, so I highly recommend that as well. Or the next time you go to your mechanic shop or your discount tire, or wherever you get your tires serviced or your car serviced, just ask them to check all your tire pressure next time you go in. Anyway, that's it. Make sure you check out our channel. We got hundreds of videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, Harley Davidson, scooters, motocross bikes, working around the house, appliances, you name it. There's all kinds of cool stuff. So please like, subscribe, follow, and if you think any of our videos saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button. You'll see it under the video screen, and please send us a donation. We really appreciate it, because videos that really help people are priceless. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.